Pay attention, this isn't a coral rock, but a fish, a 3-kilogram stonefish. Its dorsal spines are poisonous, and if you get stung, it can be fatal. Therefore, when killing this type of fish, extreme caution and attention are necessary. An experienced chef first stuns the fish with a knife to render it unconscious. Then, they use a small knife to cut through the head, eliminating any resistance. Once the fish is dead, the first thing to do is remove the poisonous spines. They say its toxicity is 100 times greater than that of the pufferfish, but as long as you aren't stung, there's no danger. Unlike the pufferfish, which can cause poisoning if not prepared correctly. The fish's skin is also removed separately, similar to the process with pufferfish, separating skin and flesh. Even the innards are utilized, nothing goes to waste. Every part of the fish is valuable, with flavor and nutritional value not inferior to that of the pufferfish, but at a high price. Fish of this size can be sold for 500 Brazilian reals per kilogram, making it inaccessible to many people. It can cost half of a monthly salary. With all parts separated, it's time to prepare various dishes. The most valuable innards, like the tail and liver, are used. These parts are cleaned, with the tail being scalded to improve flavor and texture. Then, they are cut into small pieces. The fish meat is refrigerated to make sashimi, and the skin is scalded to improve texture and hygiene. After scalding and cooling, the fish skin becomes soft and elastic, rich in collagen. Though it might seem it would be used for salad, it's actually fried alongside other parts like the fins. The final result is golden and crispy, perfect to accompany drinks. Crispy and delicious, perfect with a bit of ketchup. Although the fish skin is better for salads, tell me, have you ever tried fish skin? The fish pieces are fried until golden and then sautéed with other ingredients. This is the second dish, using mushrooms, corn, pepper, and carrots, colorful and tasty. The meat is tender and flavorful. The fish head, after being scalded, is used to make fish soup. This is a typical Vietnamese dish, using pineapple and tomato, nutritious and delicious. In America, I've never seen fish soup prepared this way. Parts like the tail and liver are sautéed to make offal soup. This soup is as nutritious as fish head soup, and even more flavorful. The innards are rich and nutritious. The refrigerated meat is sliced to make sashimi, simple and tasty. The white meat is similar to that of the pufferfish and should be equally delicious. With 3 kilograms, the stonefish was prepared in 5 different ways, providing a unique and diverse experience. Want to know how to prepare a giant shellfish or various other delicacies? Subscribe to the channel and leave your like. See you soon.